Hey everybody, Shannon here with Healthcare Genius. I'm here with Michael, and we wanted to talk to you today about the response from health insurance companies during this uncertain time. We know a lot of business owners are wondering if there are going to be maybe some rules that have changed or some leniency with their insurance companies, and I know employees are kind of wondering the same things. So we're here to tell you everything that we know and give you the updates that we have so far, or at least just a high level of them. And then we'll also have some resources under this video so you can go and kind of dig into the specifics. Michael, do you want to start with kind of those high level points that we wanted to just touch on today?
Yeah, Shannon, thank you. So the response is really across the board, from health insurers to the pandemic and the crisis that's going on. We've seen some insurers that have opened up a special enrollment period for their group plans. Shannon and I recorded a video last week about what the state of Colorado was doing to open up and allow people who didn't have health insurance or who were losing health insurance to be able to enroll in a plan for April 1st. But we've seen some of the group insurance carriers do the same thing. So an employer can decide, and it's obviously up to the employer to make that decision, but they can decide to offer this special enrollment period to those employees who maybe didn't sign up originally, even to the extent that if they had a dependent that they didn't put on the plan, now they're allowing them to be to come on the plan as of April 1st. Now these are all limited, so this is going to end next Friday, so we have a week to take advantage of those things. And of course, this doesn't change anything around a loss of coverage or the traditional rules that allow you to make changes if you have different life change events. So those are, a couple of things. The other area that we're seeing is related to copay relief for testing and for services related to COVID-19, where a lot of insurance companies, including high deductible plans, are waiving the cost of getting tested, and if you feel like you have the disease, of actually going to the doctor or doing telemedicine.
Yeah, telemedicine is a big one. And if you do have any employees that are on Medicare that are over the age of 65, know that they're waiving telemedicine for any reason for those individuals. And then I think for everybody else, anything that's coronavirus related, I know telemedicine is obviously a really, really big asset. And if you don't have to pay for it, you should absolutely use it if you need it. And make sure your employees know that. Another question that we've been getting from employers, I know, is related to their premium payments. Do we have any updates there, Michael?
Yeah, Shannon, we haven't seen anybody. A lot of employers were hoping that maybe the insurance companies would give premium holidays or allow them to delay payments. We haven't seen anything that's kind of across the board where a specific insurance company said, yes, we're going to let you waive a month of premium, or we're going to let everybody wait to pay their premium for a month. But in those cases where it's really hardship, you can go to your agent or to the insurance company and petition them to maybe give you a month, 30 days, 60 days. We're seeing some of those, but they do tend to be one-offs. It's not something that is a blanket for a particular insurance company. And all of these things are changing so quickly. As Shannon mentioned, what we're going to do is try to put out the resources that we have today in a link that you can see what the different insurance companies have put out so far. And then as we get more, we'll update those.
That's right. And if you're a business owner and you have any questions that you can't quite figure out, we know this is a lot of information that we're telling you now, and an unbelievable amount of information that we're going to link to. So if you have any questions, we are always here to help. Feel free to contact us or schedule an appointment for a consultation. We just want to help in any way we can right now. We know it's a tough time for everybody. So hope everybody stays safe. And again, let us know if you need us.
Thank you. And make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we put out new videos. Is that okay?